Hi all, welcome back to JMeter training videos. In today's session we'll be discussing how to use Blaze meters plugin for recording JMeter scripts. Okay, in previous sessions we used different tools, right? JMeter, and we used Chrome browser, and we used BadBuy tool, and today's session we will be using Chrome extension, or you have even Mozilla extension as well, but today's session I am going to use Chrome extension. So go to Google, just download Blaze demo Chrome extension, Blaze meter Chrome extension. Okay, so you will get couple of sites, and go here and click on install it. Just click on this one, it will pop up with extension. Click on add extension. Mine already I have added, so it will be already available for me. So it is asking me to remove. For your case it will be add. Okay, once you add that, then you can see under extension, see Blaze demo extension. So I have Blaze demo extensions, right? Just click on this one, you will get record the menu. So here you have to enter some before doing this, first you have to sign up here. Okay, you will see one sign up window. Just sign up by giving you username, password and your details, and you will be getting your name. See here I got I Venkat, that means I logged in already. Give some name. Okay, here I gave just a demo application or whatever it is. Okay, so click on start button. Okay, here we have some advanced options. So which browser you want to use? I want to use current browser. So filter options, what you want to exclude or include, so these all options. So disable browser cache. Okay, so these options we have. So for now anyway we are not going to do anything here, we keep everything here as it is. Okay, so click on start recording. So now you will get that window. So it will be background, it will be recording. Now I will go and do blazedemo.com. okay, as soon as you enter here you can see that browser will be, this Blaze demo will be activated. Now I will enter second name, find flights. You can use some name, valid names also. Okay, just add step. Now whatever you do now, it will be under find flight step. Okay, so now I am making few steps that will be available under find flights. Okay, now I am going to add another one, select flight. Okay, from whatever I do now, it will be under select flight now. Okay, now I will be adding final one, purchase. That will be available under purchase. Okay, so now our recording is done, so we can click stop recording. Now recording is done, so it won't show you stop recording. Again you have to go here and you have to click this one, then your script is ready. Just click on save button. Okay, so as soon as you save it, it will be saved which format you want. So we want JMX, right? JMX you will get only here, you want only Blaze demo, right? You don't want this one, so select which file to be included. So I want only blazedemo.com to be included. If you don't want this one, remove that. Okay, so now only Blaze demo request will be coming. Okay, so where you want to save? I want to save in by default it will be downloaded to downloads folder. See, this is downloaded. Now to open that one, we have to go to JMeter, because JMX file we have to use JMeter, right, to open. So go to jmeter.bat file. Okay, so go to jmeter.bat and open the demo.jmx. So this way we have to record our Blaze any scenario using Blaze demos plugin. So Blaze meters plugin. Blaze meters plugin is one of the useful one. So most people will be using that one. That is very simple. Even you no need to do anything. you just have to add that Chrome extension or Mozilla extension, just start recording, that's all. It will automatically do everything for you. This is the simplest way I prefer to go. Okay, so yeah, this is one of the best one. So go here and it will be under downloads, right? So my downloads will be under F drive. Click on downloads D demo.jms. okay, now the script will be automatically loaded for you. See, test by default, test demo.1, find flights, select flights, purchase. So this way we can record using BlazeMeter's plugin, Chrome extension. Okay, this is one of the way we can do it. Now I am not going to close this one. So anyway, today's session I will complete the other one which is pending, how to record using Fiddler. So first what you have to do, to record Fiddler, we can record even using Fiddler as well. Okay, so to record through Fiddler, go to google.com, download Fiddler. Okay, just type download Fiddler for Windows. Okay, so you will get some sites. Okay, so go to this one and just download Fiddler tool. Okay, just go here. I already downloaded that, so I am not going to do anyway now. So you just fill these details, click on for Windows. Okay, you have to fill all these details, what is the purpose of doing performance testing or whatever you give, just give name, email ID, all those details, and you will get the download button. Once you download it, you just click on that exe file, it will be downloaded, and you just click here Fiddler, you will get that option FIDDLER. See, just click on that one, you will be getting this option. Okay, so now to record that, what you have to do, just click remove all. Now I am going to use here our WebTours application. Okay, this time I will use WebTours application to record. Okay, so let's go here. I will use WebTours. As soon as you do this, you can see some requests here, right? And just give Jojo Bean is the password, right? Just click on login and click on flights. Okay, select different flight and destination, select continue. It will be continuously loading all the pages what we are doing. So let me do another way. So let me move this one back and we will keep this one aside and we'll see how it goes. Yeah, this will be better. See, as soon as you make some changes, it will be recording, and click on continue. Okay, so click on sign out button. So now if you see, it is only recording only this particular values, it is not recording anything. There is one option under filters. I used filters, so that is the reason it is only recording that particular URL host name. So what you have to do is go to filters. If you remove this filter and apply, you will see lot of them. See, so now nothing is running, so that is the reason you are not seeing. If you real time, some background processes will be running, right? Some of the Chrome browser extensions will be running, so you will see lot of unwanted data here. Now you want to just require whatever application you want, right? Just you say, let's say this is blazedemo.com host name. Come here, so only following hosts and enter that blazedemo.com. That time it will show you only blazedemo related values. Here I want only this particular host value, so I have given 127.00.1080 and go here, run this filter now. Okay, automatically that filters will be applied here. So once you get all your data, just go here, save all sessions. Okay, not SAR file, you have to save it as okay, otherwise go to export sessions. Okay, here we have R file, right? HTTP archive file means R file. Okay, select HTTP archive file. Okay, click next. So it will be asking you where you want to save this R file. For now I will save this into desktop. Okay, I will make it now WebTools application. WebTools. Okay, just click on save button. Now WebTools.R file will be available on our desktop. So now you know, right? Once you get R file, how to get that one into JMX file? There is a plugin is available. Okay, so I think I explained this one in my previous video when we are doing that Chrome browser recording, right? So Chrome browser also same thing. Once you get R file to JMX file. Okay, just go to convert R file to JMX. Just click this one, converter.jmx.com. just browse that file. So select WebTools. Come on, it has some issue, so always it closes. So let me reopen it. So let me go here, browse WebTools, right? WebTools.R file. Open and click on convert. Now it is processing. It will take some time to process everything. Now download JMX file. So again it is downloaded under downloads. Now I will go and open that JMX file. So go to open. Now we have to give WebTools, right? Just WebTools.jmx. Click open. See, automatically everything is ready. See, this all has come, right? WebTools, HTML, signup.true, PNG files. If you don't want anything, you have to remove them manually here. Just go here. If you don't want any JPG files, you can remove them. Okay, so just remove all these PNG files. Okay, this is login. So this way we can record using this one. Okay, so this is one of the other option how to use Fiddler. So with this today's session, so we covered all possibilities of recordings using different tools. So yeah, that's all, how to record JMX files for JMeter using different approaches, like one with JMeter, one with Blaze Demo add-on, one with Chrome, one with BadBoy, the other one with Fiddler. So there are many ways we can record our scenarios for JMeter. So it is very simple and straightforward. So yeah, that